In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Canva template link. To get started, open Canva and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the design you want to turn into a template. This could be something you created earlier, like a social media post, presentation, flyer, or any other type of design. The goal here is to open the exact design you want other people to use as a starting point. Next, go to your designs and open that file. Take a quick moment to confirm that everything in the design is ready before you share it as a template. When you create a template link, other people will be able to use the design structure without changing your original file, so this is a useful option when you want to share a reusable layout with a team, clients, or students. Once the design is open, move to the top area of the Canva editor and click Share. This is where Canva gives you different ways to send, publish, or collaborate on your design. If you don't immediately see the exact option you need, just pause for a second and look through the sharing menu carefully, because Canva sometimes updates the layout or changes where options appear. From the Share menu, click Template Link. This option is specifically designed to let you share the design as a template instead of sending the original file for direct editing. That's an important difference, because a template link helps protect your original version while still allowing someone else to customize their own copy. After that, click Create Template Link. Canva will generate a shareable link that you can copy and send wherever you need, such as in a message, email, classroom platform, or project workspace. Anyone who opens that link will be prompted to use the design as their own copy, which keeps your source design untouched. And that's it. The process is very quick. Open Canva, open your designs, click Share, choose Template Link, and then click Create Template Link. If you plan to share designs regularly, this can save a lot of time and make collaboration much easier. Just remember to double-check your design before generating the link, so the template people receive is clean, polished, and ready to use.